Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos. Okay, so welcome back, and I have already created the API key for myself, and let's begin. So first of all, I will create a function which will be responsible to call the API, and at this moment I'll just name it as API call. And okay, let's go ahead and fetch. I'll need to use the fetch operator, so I'll just copy and paste the whole thing. Okay, so for the URL I will have to get the URL from here, from my API credentials, and it will be from here, this one. Okay, and I did some research about this, and if we want to use the translation, or not the translation but the meaning, we will need to use this endpoint of entries, and so it will be entries slash the next one will be language, so English, and you need to specify is it Britain or US. We will be taking US at this moment, and then you will need to put in the word. At this moment, just test it with Basil. Alright, so this is just the URL. I will need to have a header which will be the ID and the key, app ID and app key. So var app ID equals to something, var app key equals to something. Okay, so let me get my IDs. At this moment I don't care if you guys look at the IDs and credentials because I'm gonna delete it anyway. But yeah, create your own IDs and credentials is totally free, so it won't be a problem. Okay, so here it is, and it's, the parameter has to be the same name, so app ID and app key. If you are not following along, just let us know in the comment below and we can figure out what issues you are facing. So okay, so we need to call this somewhere, API call, so I will pass in a use effect. Okay, and first parameter should be a function, so the second parameter should be the changes. It should be an empty array for us right now. API call, this is okay, it will call it just once. If you want to check it, you can just do a console log. Starting, okay, which is good. See, starting, and now the issue is we are facing the course error, and we do have a solution for this. It is, you can just do this, just pass this as a prefix, and which is I'm going to do like this. Okay, this should work for us, and if we go into this, you'll see a nice output at this point. So you have a result array, and in this result array the 0th element is going to have a lexical entry. Lexical entry, you will have entries. Entries, you will have senses. In senses, you will have a definition. So this is it. So let us see, let us just confirm if this is the right one. So if I go to their web page, I type in basil. Let me see, what do I get here? An aromatic plant of the mint family, native to tropical Asia, and let's see what do we get here. And it is annual herb of the mint family, native to tropical. Okay, so it's something like that. So substance of basil. Yeah, so this is something which we are looking for, so it's not bad, and we can use this. Alright, so this is perfect, and we will be saving it somewhere. Let's do that. So once I have this response, I'm going to, because this is just gonna return some response and you need to change it to JSON and then pass it into another then. So which I don't mind, but a better way would be to use an async await. So I will use an async and const result equals to await fetch. Let's check what do we get here. So console log result, let's see. Alright, so we are having something at this point, and I think we might have to do an await result as well. So await result, let's see. I need to pass in a return a JSON again. So const data equals to await JSON, and here I can just do data. Let's see what do we get. Alright, so we are getting what we are looking for, which is good. Okay, this is great. And at this point I can just save this data. Let me try to destructure this data, and let's see. It'll be results, lexical entries, and zeroth element entries. So let's see. Let me try something. If data log dot, I forgot, data dot results, zeroth element, let's check this at the moment. So we are getting the zeroth element dot, we'll need to go to entries, and after entries we need to go into the zeroth element. So 0 entries 0 dot census. Okay, this is good. And zeroth element and definition, and that too we need to go to the zeroth element. That's alright. Census, zeroth element, the definition, or okay, definitions and 0. Okay, 0. Let's try this. Okay, I think there's a typo, but let's see what do we get here. Definition, oh, it was my typo. Alright, not bad. So this is a really long thing, 0, 0, 0. But that's alright, we are getting what we are looking for, so we can just use this as a definition. And which is perfect for us at the moment, and we can use the word as the search word. You can use it, you can use this word. So this is perfect, this is not bad, and let's take a look at saving this. So let's look for error. If there is an error, what is gonna throw? Okay, okay, because it's not gonna search for anything because it's just hard coded. So let me do some random stuff here and see what do we get. It's definitely gonna throw some error. Okay, so we need to handle this error, and how are we gonna handle this is, first of all, we need to check what do we get in the data. So before we run this, let's check. So log data should show us some error. Okay, this is perfect. If data.error, that's what we need to look for. If data.error, what is the exact error? No matching. Okay, this is good. So we can call in another state, const error, and set error, use state, which is okay, and here we will just put in like set error equals to data.error, which is great, not a problem. If we'll even put in like just an error at this point. Okay, so this is good. Let me just check it. Okay, great. We are getting this error at this point, and which is not bad. Alright, so let's check if there's some other kind of error in this one. Let me put some spaces. Let's see what do we get. Okay, no matching entry found. Okay, so I think there are just a few type of errors. Let me put like underscore. Okay, so it's just a generic one, so no matching entry found. So that's fine, which is good with us. Basil, we did that. Let's try dictionary. There would be no error, I think, but we will be getting something out of it. Oh, we didn't do a console log. So, okay, let's just do this one time and we'll then end the video for now. Okay, great, we are getting what we are expecting. So this is great, and we did even handle the error, and in the next video we will try to go into the database where we are going to save the entries. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.